Wrong AC placement can increase electricity bills. Here's the best spot. Dear friends, have you ever noticed your AC running for hours but still not cooling the room properly? One common reason is incorrect AC placement. A poorly positioned air conditioner can increase electricity consumption and lead to higher monthly bills. Many people install their AC directly above heat-generating appliances such as televisions, refrigerators, or near windows that receive direct sunlight. This causes the AC to sense extra heat and work harder than necessary, consuming more power. The best location for a split AC indoor unit is on a wall where cool air can spread evenly across the room. Ideally, it should be installed at a height of around 7 to 8 feet from the floor and away from direct sunlight or other heat sources. Avoid placing furniture, curtains, or large decorative items in front of the AC. Blocked airflow reduces cooling efficiency and forces the system to run longer, increasing electricity costs. For the outdoor unit, choose a well-ventilated and shaded area. Proper airflow around the outdoor unit helps release heat efficiently and improves overall AC performance. Correct AC placement not only reduces electricity bills but also improves cooling comfort, extends the life of the air conditioner, and lowers maintenance costs. Before installing a new AC, always plan the location carefully. The right spot can save energy, money, and ensure better cooling throughout the year. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel. How to make my house.